Hello, my loves. Welcome to a guided meditation for self-love by Lavendaire. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate today and give back to yourself. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap and face your palms up for receiving. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth exhale. Breathe deep into your lungs and your diaphragm. Expand. And then open mouth exhale and let it all out. Repeat 2 more times. Take a deep breath into your belly and an open mouth exhale. Let it all out. Deep breath in and exhale, let it all out. Take this moment to feel your body and focus on gratitude. What are you grateful for right now? Feel the energy in your body, a body that works to keep you alive and functioning without a second thought, a body that supports you and everything you want to do in life. Give this body acknowledgement and love for all the miraculous things it does for you to keep you here, breathing. Now focus on your breath for a moment. Isn't it a wonder that your body knows how to breathe continuously without much effort or awareness? But once you shift your awareness to your breath, you become in control of the flow of your breath. Your awareness is powerful. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. Use the power of your awareness to focus on your body, feeling your presence with each breath. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your brain. Relax your shoulders. Relax your heart. Relax your entire body. Feel your body soften and relax. Know that you are safe in this moment. Your body is your shell and your home for this lifetime. Take good care of it. Give it love. Consider, what does self-love mean to you? Self-love is accepting yourself, quirks and flaws included. Forgiving yourself, knowing it's okay to make mistakes. Knowing your worth, standing tall and not feeling small or inferior to others. Loving yourself and your journey, knowing that you are both a work of art and a work in progress at the same time. And all of it is okay. Cultivating self-love is learning to practice unconditional love for yourself. What does unconditional love mean? How does it feel to love yourself unconditionally? No conditions, meaning you don't have to be anything other than yourself. You don't have to prove yourself to anyone. You are already lovable and loved. You don't have to try. You are already worthy of love. Feel how it would feel to love yourself unconditionally. Now we'll be reciting some positive affirmations to cultivate more self-love. Feel free to repeat after me in your mind. I accept myself exactly as I am. I love and embrace all of me. I am grateful for my body and all that it's doing to support me. All of me is beautiful. I am enough. I am worthy. I am a light in this world. My light is unique and incomparable to others. I respect myself and give myself what I need. Setting boundaries is an act of self-love. I release all that is holding me back. I release all that does not align with my truest self. I am authentic to who I am and aligned with what I want. I choose love over fear. Come back to your breath. Feel the energy in your body. Notice how you feel now, nourishing yourself with love. Remember this feeling. You can always come back to this. Now we will use the power of visualization. Imagine the energy of love surrounding you, surrounding your entire body. Feel the warmth of this loving energy envelop and hug your entire body. Love is all around you. Light is all around you. Breathe in, inviting that energy of love and light into you through the crown of your head. Visualize that energy flow through you down your entire body, nourishing yourself with unconditional love and light. As you breathe out, release all the negativity and fear that has held you back from pure, unconditional love for yourself. Breathe in love, energy in through the top of your head, and breathe out. Let that beautiful energy flow through you, pushing out all that doesn't serve you anymore. Where light enters, darkness cannot stay. Continue this visualization as you gently breathe in and out. Breathing in love and breathing out fear. Resetting and replenishing your energetic body with love and light. Begin to come back to your breath. Check in with your body and your energy and notice how you're feeling. You have given yourself so much love today. Continue this practice by nourishing yourself with love and acceptance every single day. You are fully deserving of love no matter what. You are already worthy simply by existing. I hope you take this energy of self-love into the rest of your day. The more love you have for yourself, the more love you will put out into the world, and thus a better, more beautiful world we will create together. Sending you love and light. Namaste.